Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to buy crypto from MetaMask. If you want to buy crypto directly from MetaMask, first of all, open your MetaMask application on your device and log into your account. Once you're inside the main homepage of MetaMask, go to the top left corner and tap on the Buy button. Now, in the pop-up at the bottom, click on Buy. Now, on the next page, select the cryptocurrency you want to purchase by tapping on the first drop-down. Choose any cryptocurrency you'd like to purchase and then enter the amount you are willing to spend. You can also select your region's currency, and once done, go ahead and choose your payment method. You can select your debit or credit card as your payment method, or you can also use Apple Pay. After entering your payment information, click on Get Codes. Now, click on the Continue button with the recommended payment provider, and once you are done, follow through the provider's instructions. This may involve verifying your identity, connecting a card or bank account. Make sure to do that and confirm the transactions, review fees, etc. Enter your email address and all the credentials needed, and once the payment is processed, the crypto will be sent directly to your MetaMask wallet address. Just wait for the confirmation and the wallet should show the new balance when complete. So that is how you will be able to buy cryptocurrency directly from MetaMask wallet. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.